What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. If y'all don't mind, before we get started, smashing the like button, subscribing if you haven't, comment down below something like stay hydrated, all right? Because that can go a long way for everybody. It's that time of year. Take care of yourself. Be smart. Don't be a hero. We're all guilty of it, but stay hydrated, y'all. It's an attic video or a drain line video in an attic, so it's nothing like substantial, but it kicked my ass. You're gonna hear me breathing quite heavily. But without further ado, let's get into the video.
They have an issue. It's two systems. One's from like 88. The other one, I want to say, is like 10 years old or maybe 12. Nothing crazy, but it's a rental. So we all know how landlords and all that stuff can be with fixing things or getting things done. So as you can see right now, not even running. So the fan upstairs is running. So that kind of gives me obviously like a nice little indicator that, like, the first thing I noticed, I told him that this fan motor isn't the right size for the unit. Like I said, this thing is from, yeah, so it's 13 years old, but that's a smaller fan motor. Actually check these breakers. That's good. Alright, we got normal up. Let's see if we have a call on our Y here. So, yeah, nothing there. I mean, obviously we do have, alright, so let's see something. So we are not having a call to Y right now. So, I will have to go, probably get up in the attic and check this out. Got my 8 up there. Problem is I got it zip tied. I really don't feel like getting it down. So, I mean, I know I've done it before. I can definitely get up into the attic with a 4. Just gotta use a little muscle, you know what I'm saying? So, it's up here. We can see it's on. And you can hear the fan is running. I know it's pulling. So, and the fan's in auto. So, with it, the Y call should be on. Let's see what's up. Alright. Oh, it's fucking hot, boy. Alright. Let's do it. Well, that's something good to look at. Let's start. Unless, for whatever reason, that floats out of the Y and it breaks Y. And, well, there. And there we go. That's it. They do. It's tied into Y instead of R. Alright. see. Yep. Alright. Well, that's the first thing. Let's see. I mean, this thing ain't even, it's bone dry too though, that's the problem. So, at least it did its job. Tilt this up. Right, get all that out there. Let it. Well, I mean, it's not warm. It is already starting to produce some moisture, a little condensate. Yeah. We'll just keep it like that. I'm gonna go clear this drain. And I know it's clear. I mean, it's a simple, it runs right on over. Button that up. Go check out the outside. Let's do this. Look at this. Again, biggest thing here in Florida, your damn drains. But we'll double check everything. I know, one, because of that condenser fan motor, it didn't pull in the proper amount, moving the right amount of air across that thing. I mean, it's not hot. It's not hot at all. So, before I jump to conclusions, get my gauges on there. Of the system, it's not bad, honestly. Oh, well, there you go. Always a drain line. Hole. Nothing. May need to, I don't want to blast it, but may need to, I'm gonna feed the water through here to try to get it to flush, you know, through the drain and out. Do it nice and gradually. As you can see, nothing. Nothing. So if we tilt this, it should, nope, nothing's moving there. I'm gonna have to cut it probably and reconstruct it right there real fast. Like I said, we'll cut it here, and at that 90, hot. That'll certainly do it. I'm just gonna, yep, I'll see that. My phone keeps overheating. Cut it there, nothing came out. Pretty clear, but a blast. No more than, well, not that much. So back down. Now we'll just crank it up to about 50. About right there. Just gonna get some water to try to move everything before we throw it. Somewhere. Okay. Whew. I did get it. Nice suction there. Got it capped off right now. I'm gonna run it back, get it all like kind of in position. That way when I untwist it real quick, I can just shove the new one in. Boom. Dripping because it's finally starting to feed out. So. Oh, this crap. Oh my god, the coil is just eroding away. I'm gonna get my shop back up in here, but here we go. I'm gonna reinstallate all that. Got no fall. This, pitch down, get a rag, clean all this shit up. I don't know how much is getting filmed. Phone up in the attic just keeps dying. Got this all done. I think the battery probably died. Yep. I mean, this vacuum's cool and all, but fuck, the runtime on it's garbage. I love my Milwaukee. I was gonna buy the dual battery, but it's like runtime's like 40 minutes. I'm like, dude, I gotta maybe run 40 minutes on one job, 2 12s, 2 8s, and I'm doing it. So. That's the one that kicks your ass, boy. It's in time delay. Alright, old Noisy McGee's running again. Yeah, look at that. This is all jacked up. No. Alright, yeah. That's obvious. It's not low. It's nothing to beat to that fan motor. Put that shit back on. Start pouring out soon. I'm gonna clean up. Get up out of here. This one, attic kicked my ass. That just about says it all. I don't know if it's showing up or not. How dark that is. And my hair, boys. Got the sweat dripping down my face. Let me go talk to the customer, boy. I am. Oh yeah. Sweating it up in there. All right, y'all. That's gonna wrap it up. Thankfully, cooled myself off. Stay hydrated, stay safe, take precautions, don't do dumb shit. I got up and out of that attic a couple times while I was working because I was just drenched. A bottle of water, drink it, all that good stuff. Do the same shit, take care of yourself. With that, if y'all don't mind, smashing the like button, comment something down below for me. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. All my subscribers, I appreciate y'all. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Later.